Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to your one and only favorite crypto jet. Today we're talking about Avalanche. A few stats that I want to show you before we get into the project a little bit, and then the technicals are total market cap in the crypto world is about $2 trillion, just above at the moment. Bitcoin's dominance is at 41%, Ethereum at 18.6% at this moment. Now Avalanche has a market cap of around $11 billion, but I'm sure none of these numbers really interest you. Wait, one more number that might interest you. It's the 17th coin in the world right now. It had a huge spike up, which we're going to talk about right now, and you can buy it on Binance, Huobi, and KuCoin. Now, what Avalanche is actually, it's a fast, low-cost, and eco-friendly blockchain network. So they have the fastest smart contracts platform in the industry, and they have the most validators securing the activity, which means what validators basically are these nodes that confirm transactions and anything that's going around the network. The more validators there are, the more safe the network is and the faster it will work. So that's the main and the most important objective with Avalanche. And obviously you can press this build now button if you want to build something on the ecosystem. Now moving on to the graph, we can see one of the most ridiculous spikes that I've seen in this bull run in comparison with IOTA, for example, because that was a crazy one as well. And what we can see is a nice double bottom forming right here. Let me just mark it just so it's clearer for you in case you want to take a screenshot and show your friends, or subscribe to the channel, leave a like, whatever you want to do. It's no pressure. And basically we reached our all-time high previously, which was at around $60. Reached the same all-time high now, dropped back down, created a beautiful bull flag. So as you can see right here, it's quite a flag, right? It's quite a valid one, and then just simply broke out and continued going upwards. Now, this whole move seems a little bit overextended, right? So even though we have all these wicks and everything, it's a huge upwards move, and a lot of people will have a lot of profits made throughout. So I would not be surprised in any case if we actually do drop back down, because beneath this level right here, there's no large level of support until probably the $15 mark. So I would imagine that with the growth that this coin has seen until now, we will find a strong support at the $35 mark, or right about here where we actually had a strong rejection, even though there was a dip in the whole market on those days, right? So very important, pay attention to things like these. Wicks on the bottom mean upside, wicks on the top mean potential downside. Obviously, we've seen a nice long wick at the bottom and confirmed the upside. Obviously, we've seen a nice long wick at the top, confirming a little bit the downside, because the market can never go straight up. It always has to move in, pieces. So that's about it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.